clean my fidgets? Part 2. Okay, let's start off with this. Guys, I love this. I don't know if it's actually a fidget, but let's give it a 9 out of 10. I do like the color, because obviously, guys, pink is my favorite color. And as this is, I'm not taking it out of the bag, because I'm scared to touch it, but I know it's a really good one, so 100 out of 10. Okay, next is a new fidget I got. Next is this putty. I don't like them ones because I put water in it and it ruined it. You'd think it would get sticky, but look at or stretch. But the only thing I can do is zero. That's 3 out of 10. Don't mean to be rude. If I like this way, I'll give it a cut. And if I didn't, guys, sorry, I just deleted a video that I made. I'll have to redo it. Oh, what? Oh, okay. I don't know if I did this again, but I'll do this one. 5 out of 10. I don't like it. Anyways, speed running. I finally got where I left off, guys. So let's do putty. Now we're getting into putty. Oh my god, guys! Like I haven't even buy one of today yet. Actually, don't comment because I don't know how to turn my comments or what it is. Ooh. By the way, my friend told me like 2 days ago, like she saw my YouTube channel, but give me a basic smile, guys. So if you see me smiling in this video, that's why. I'm not a fan of smiling, because I have sadness in my life, but yeah, at school I stopped smiling, because I looked like a weirdo and I don't like smiling that much. That's really good, and I feel like I did not give a fair trade for this. But too late. I love it. It's supposed to smell like bubblegum, but it does not. Oh no, it's supposed to smell like gumballs, so it's like crazy almond. And I do love those slimes so much. I was gonna get one of the crazy one of the space ones, but like then I bought stuff to make my own slime. I'm sorry. Okay, this is really satisfying. Oh my god, I just almost knocked down the bin. That's my next thing. Oh, this bubble is going away. I don't know what to call it. Feels seriously. Okay, let's grab that. Oops, the camera got turned. Okay, I see like is this cute squishy. Look at how cute it is. It's like a kitty cat. It was supposed to have a horn, but I got this like when I was young. I'm not gonna say it because you'll probably think I'm lying because of my height. Literally, I look so small. I hate it. Well, I'm kind of young still, but I love this. Okay, got the next fidget. Pop it rule. I did not like it because I actually put putty on it, but my mom literally got this for me. Like, she said, only if it's cool stuff, I will. When I have like $100 worth of Target gift cards. Like, I don't think that was the brightest idea. but I do love it. But it has putty on it too. So I feel like I actually use this as a going on for my teacher in that video. So I'll rate this a 5 out of 10. Okay, I'm trying to make this video short, but I don't have that love now. So I'm gonna do like this thing real quick. That's like 4 slime. We're gonna try it with this. By the way, leave a subscribe and a like. So you don't miss out if I ever fidget trade ABC. Guess what? Please because she's beating me on this channel. On this one, I have 50 on my little. I thought, but that's for shorts, and this is my main channel. Even though I post more, is because I'm like always in a car while I have my phone. Because I have a new homework, guys. You remember that video where I said, guys, remember I did that, guys, I did skateboard? Yeah, it was my old computer. It blew up, I think. Kind of. It smelled like smoke in my room. Oh, by the way, guys, my room used to be green, but since that last rain video, it's got pink, and I'm so happy because pink is my favorite color. You might think I might be like purple, black, and stuff because that's what I usually kind of wear. But no, I literally love the color pink. And right now, while I'm getting this thing all set up for it, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell a little bit about why I started this YouTube channel. I'm not gonna full because that was when I hit a special subscribers. 1,000 subscribers, guys. But we're not there yet. So subscribe if you want me to tell you my story. So this is why I started. So I used to be when I was little. Well, I'm so little time. But not that little. I was a big fan of It's Funny. Yes, I was so a fan, and I wanted to be like her when I was older. So I wanted to make a YouTube channel. So I was gonna do it with my cousin. First, I'm gonna make a YouTube video, a YouTube actually show with him soon. It's gonna be called Bad Guys. Because I'm a bad guy. No, I'm not. But me and him tried making videos, but I didn't know how to make a YouTube channel back then. But now, literally, I am so happy because I have one now. Actually, like, I have 2. And, so, the reason why I want to be, like, funny, because her content inspired me so much that I wanted to be just like her. So I was saying I should make a YouTube channel, and her siblings are so funny. And another YouTuber who inspired me to get on black, because me and one of my friends, not ABC, but a different one of my like best friends. My new since I started elementary, actually, I don't know when I started her. I don't think so. But like, me and her were like doing an emo stage. I don't know why we did it. But after like that, I'm like, girl, this YouTuber Jordan Model and her daughter sailors. Like, I love like sailors like outfits. So like I'm saying, wow. So she also inspired me to get out the color like black. And so I feel so like I'm thankful for these YouTubers. Okay, I'm rating this like a 10 out of 5 out of 10. Where we go to? cool. Now, oh my god, guys. Look at what we have here. Oh, laser. And also, broken thing. Well, I rate that 2 out of 10. By the way, guys, make sure to check out my channel. And guys, we're gonna be making a squishmallow now. Oh, one of my stuffies, oh, I found where a lot of my fidgets are. Okay, we're waiting this puppet. Why am I doing this on my bed now? Maybe this is okay. Let's go back to my fucking back. Oh my god. Don't be afraid. Okay, here is the puppet. The pops are way too tiny though. That's like the pop monster, see? I can't pop it that well. But now time to wait and squishmallow. I'm gonna do my dream squishmallow when I first started squishmallow was this year. I did not know about them before. I told my age. I'm not sharing my age because I don't know. I will get subscribers up. Well, here is it. It is, I think, like Austin. I don't know, but I really love it. It's so squishy. 1,000,000 out of 10. 1,000,000 out of 10. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video fully. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. And if you didn't see Waiting My Fidgets part 1, then check it out now before it's too late, because soon I'm gonna make once I rate the highest in the videos, the ones that gonna do a finale video one day. That's saying today because I'm busy. And what fidget wins? Gonna be my fidget I put on my desk. Yeah, that's right. I'm serious. But I have a lot of fidgets, so this will take a while. So just sit back and subscribe and watch my other content. Bye!